Hi, welcome back to another video on getting the most out of Canva for your travel business. Today's video is answering a question from the Canva Made Easy for Travel Agent Facebook community. So if you haven't joined the community, it is absolutely free to do so, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Now, before we jump in, if you stick around to the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you. So on the screen, you can see this is the request that I received. So it says, "Hi Jasmine, I'm wondering if there is a way to save your favorite frames in Canva. I'm finding there are frames I like to use more often, and since they only save for a short time, I need to search for them again." So the short answer to this is absolutely yes, you can save these. In fact, you can save any photo, graphic, frame, anything like that into a folder. Now, by saving to a folder, you can easily store and save these assets so you can use them again and again, and you don't have to search for them. So let me show you how. So if I just scroll up, I created this social media post to use for the example. Now, I want to show you how to save this particular plane. So all that I did to find this plane was I came over to my elements and then I searched plane. And then I scrolled down until I found one that I liked. So I used this particular aeroplane here in the social media post. So if I come back over here, now to save this particular graphic into a folder, what we need to do is hover over it and then click the little three buttons. And then you can see we can see more like this. So this is another little just side shoot that if you find something that you like and you want to see if you can try and find more that look very similar to it, you can click this search more or see more like this, and it'll bring you up very similar ones. But that's not what we're doing today. We are going the next one down, which is add to folder. So if we click this add to folder, what we want to do is we can either create, or if it's the first time, you will be creating a new one. But you can see that I already have a Rome one that I have already started. So if you click create new, you can name it Rome and it'll save the plane. But because I already have a folder, I'm just going to click my Rome and I'm going to click to add to the folder. So what that'll do is that will just save that element to this particular folder that I've called Rome. So you can also save your own uploaded photos and videos to this same folder. So this is also a great organization hack that keeps everything in one place. So carrying on with this, this Italy theme that I've started, I have uploaded a couple of pictures already. So what I can do is the same thing. I can select the image, so I can hover over it and click these three dots here, and I can click this move to folder. Now you can see, I can see my Rome folder that's here. So if I select this one and click move to folder, it is going to put that into my Rome folder, which is where I'm saving everything that I want to keep in this particular collection. So no matter what you are designing, so be it a flyer, a social media post, business card, or anything, you can easily access your folder through projects, which is on our left-hand side navigation. And if we come down to this little folder that says projects, so if I click on this, what it'll do is you can see, I've got a few things here, but you can automatically see this Rome folder. So if I click on this Rome folder, you'll see this image that I've popped in here, as well as my plane. So you can always find it through this projects, finding your folder and then choosing your elements. So this eliminates the need for you to go and search for anything. So again, that is a really handy little hack. Now, as for my surprise, since I created this social media post for you to use as an example, I am giving you a copy of this just booked Instagram post template for free. So the link will also be in the description below. So hopefully this has inspired you to create some folders, and if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. There are plenty of other Canva videos here on my channel, so please go explore, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.